let's have a real conversation. When you're by yourself, do you treat your pleasure like something you need to finish quickly, almost on autopilot? Many men do exactly that. But that rushed approach might be quietly stealing the confidence, stamina, and deep connection you could be sharing with a woman. Your alone time is truly the rehearsal for the real experience. If you've practiced the same fast, mechanical pattern for years, it's only natural that performance can feel uncertain when you're suddenly with someone else. The good news is that gentle, intelligent changes in how you care for your own body can powerfully improve your ability to stay strong, last longer, stay in control, and feel far greater pleasure together. Today, I want to share 10 meaningful upgrades you can start using immediately. These will help you become a much more capable and attentive lover while discovering richer satisfaction for yourself. Are you ready? Number 1, embrace lubrication. True intimacy feels warm, wet, and smooth. Research clearly shows that using lubricant increases pleasure and satisfaction for everyone involved. If you're used to a tight, dry grip, your body may struggle with natural wetness. Give yourself time to adapt. Choose a premium silicone lube or a luxurious cream designed for men. Number 2, occasionally switch to your other hand. This simple shift interrupts old habits and brings new awareness to your body and mind. Switch back and forth during your session. You'll stay more present and break free from the same automatic patterns you followed for years. Number 3, slow everything down. Finishing in under 2 minutes by yourself trains your body to do the same when you're excited with a partner. Evidence from control studies shows that dedicating 15 to 30 minutes to sensation creates real, lasting change. Short on time? Then don't finish. Your body and future experiences will reward you. Number 4, explore touch beyond the obvious. Caress your chest, nipples, thighs, and other sensitive areas. Enjoy a long, warm bath, use a massage tool, or dance freely to music that moves you. The better you know your own sensations, the more naturally you'll understand and please hers. This deeper awareness creates more connected and fulfilling intimacy. Number 5, change positions often. Step away from your usual spot. Try lying down, standing, kneeling, or a comfortable bridge pose. Notice how each one shifts your feelings and control. Practicing in different positions builds the confidence and adaptability you'll need to feel strong and in control no matter the situation. Number 6, master the art of anticipation. Start with your clothes on. Touch softly and slowly everywhere until desire grows almost overwhelming. Then begin with calm, deliberate strokes. This beautiful, slow build teaches you to feel more deeply and naturally extend your pleasure when you're together. Number 7, practice edging. Bring yourself right to the brink, then gently pull back and let the feeling settle before climbing again, 2 to 4 times per session. Research on stop-start techniques proves this powerfully improves control and makes the final climax much more intense. You'll gain true command over your body and discover orgasms that feel richer and more powerful than before. Number 8, wear a condom while you're alone. If protection usually reduces feeling, this is the ideal place to train your body to enjoy it comfortably. Add a touch of lubrication inside and out. You'll feel more natural, confident, and safe when you're with a partner. Number 9, welcome a toy into your practice. Sleeves, rings, or other aids can unlock new sensations and help you become a more skilled and responsive lover. Investing in your pleasure this way shows real care for yourself and for the woman you want to satisfy. Number 10, step away from porn. Studies consistently show that frequent porn use can lower real-life sexual satisfaction and make it harder to stay fully connected to your own body and partner. When you bring your full attention back to your own sensations, you'll experience deeper pleasure and bring that genuine presence into every shared moment. Start with whichever tips feel easiest, then slowly include the ones that stretch you. Small, steady changes create beautiful and lasting improvements. I'm Aisha, and I'm here to guide you toward becoming the confident, skilled, and deeply satisfying lover every woman hopes for. Subscribe and join me on this journey. You have everything it takes. I'll see you next time.